Today, we start our special celebration by giving thanks. A moment of prayer for Tita Cherry's wonderful year of life. Before heading to her dinner booking, Calista had some fun at the playground. A little playtime before the feast. Now, we're here at Volcano Restaurant in Westpoint Blacktown, one of our favorite places to dine. We always love coming here. Their non-alcoholic mocktail is a must-try. So refreshing. And look at this. The lamb and beef are perfectly cooked and served to impress.
Happy birthday!
And now, the highlight of the night, Tita Cherry's birthday celebration. Another year, another blessing. Volcano Restaurant is definitely a must-try. Happy birthday, Tita Cherry! Cheers to another amazing year!